Alrighty, video of the 2021 Ram ProMaster City. I'll just do a quick walk around. Notice that the lights are on and I have my flashers on so you can see the turn signals work. This is what the rear looks like at the moment. Set up for some catering, groceries, or any small packages. These totes can be removed. There's my mattress pad or furniture blanket, or just a blanket for any sort of protection. You can see the seats go down. Dolly. Oh yeah. I have bungees. I have straps there. That's 2 straps, and I have another one here. I know you need 4. I do have 4 more. Here's the passenger side, front and back. Here at the front, see that the headlights are working and the turn signals are working. And you can hear the motor is on. The windshield's clean, not cracked or broken.